Hello and welcome. This is a quick demonstration of how to install PostgreSQL on Windows machine, for use in GIS database development purposes. It's always good to start using GIS database. PostgreSQL is the world's most advanced open-source relational database, and can be downloaded from the official website. After downloading, in Windows operating system, you run the installer. And follow the installation steps. You are required to create a password, and specify the port. Optionally, install the Stack Builder, to download and install additional tools such as the PostGIS. Once finished, you can check it's running, using pgadmin, and enter the password you created earlier. After successfully installing PostgreSQL and its spatial extension PostGIS, your GIS database is ready for use. Next, we will see how to create databases in PostgreSQL, and adding spatial extensions.